Okay guys, so here are some 38 CKCs or 38 yccs, and they are carriers. I saw them running yesterday. This one, yeah, and this is a new ICP over there. Interesting. These should get replaced now, but I'm surprised they still work. And there's a big, last time I actually recorded these, but I failed because there's a big spider web in my way. There's a big spider web in my way. I don't think you guys can see it because the camera wouldn't catch it. But I think I have a little way through here. Narrow and dangerous. I don't want these things to scare the crap out of me and then bump into these disconnect pops and then break something. Yeah, here are these Yorks. They have the Swift Sweet blades, and yes, they always run every time we come here every Saturday, Sunday. They are off right now. There's vents over here. I think this is where the compressors are. It'd be nice if the compressors were just in here, but they're not. Alright, let's get to this ycc. Oh, there's a big spider web over there. Can I break it and then just... I'm gonna try breaking it. Alright, nothing. Okay. Ooh. Spider web here. Alright, I'm just gonna try fitting through here. Here's this straight cool. Where's the logo? I think this is a day and night unit. I think it has an Alliance scroll. Or no, not an Alliance. Some sort of Emerson. Yeah, it has an Emerson scroll. What happened here? Alright, let's just step over this big pipe. These things better not scare me. These are all straight cools, by the way. Actually, they're all of these are heat pumps. This is a straight cool. And it is summer, so any of these could kick on. This is also a straight cool. Or no, a heat pump I meant. All the accumulators and compressors are like rusted. This one has like the most damaged accumulator. They should get replaced. I'm surprised they are still working after all these years. These buds still work. Which I thought. There was a big spider web over here blocking my path. Now there's no spider web here anymore because I think of that big thunderstorm. So maybe if I fit through here, I can get the data sheets. Oh, the data sheets are still here. Yay! We can get the data sheets off of them. This one's data sheet. You're almost there. This one's data sheet. Okay. Good. This is pretty cool. When was this from? October 2014. Fairly new unit. I turn these things off or leave them automatic. Alright. Oh, right. Forgot there's a big spider over there. Let's get out of there and show you guys the units. I can't get the information down. These are all for 10-year refrigerants. Here. Oh wow, look at this big box. Alright guys, I have to go. I might make a part 2, but for now, alright. There's a bicycle over here. Alright, out.